Hey guys, welcome to your YouTube channel, Your IT Learning. Today we are here to discuss about is AI replacing business analysts or making them stronger? So let's get started. The introduction. Artificial intelligence or AI is increasing everywhere. And for the same reason, it's becoming part of business analysts' daily work. So, all the business analysts and everyone in the industry are thinking about will our job will be still be here or will we be replaced by the AI? So if you're looking for that answer, you are at the right place. And at the end of this presentation, I will definitely going to provide you the answer to will the AI will replace business analyst or not. AI definitely helps automate repetitive tasks, improves efficiency, improves documentation quality, and supports better decision making. So overall, as I feel and everyone else is, the ChatGPT or AI, Copilot, they are really helping the business analyst in day-to-day work. Instead of replacing business analyst, AI act as a smart assistant that enhances productivity. So as a business analyst, you have to make sure you take advantage of that. So let's start with common challenges faced by a business analyst. It's time consuming documentation. So either you're working on BRD, FRD, or user stories, these are all very time consuming. Unstructured meeting notes and unclear requirements. We all, as a BA, work, with the unclear requirements at the start. Too many meetings to go in a day for a business analyst as you are, working on requirements, talking to the stakeholders, talking to the developers. So there's too many meetings for you to go. Frequent requirement changes, we all know about that one. Managing complex communication between business and technical teams. So AI helps reduce manual effort in all these areas. So how AI is helpful in requirement gathering? It converts meeting notes into structural requirements. It highlights missing and ambiguous requirements. It helps or it suggests follow-up questions for the stakeholder. So after you have done the gathering requirement with the stakeholder, make sure you record the meeting with the co-pilot. So after the meeting is done, the co-pilot will help you to summarize the meeting notes, summarize the requirements, and it also will going to ask you the follow-up questions as well, which you can ask to the stakeholders. So let's discuss the detailed example. After a stakeholder meeting, a BA paste the raw notes in the AI tool. AI generates a clear list of business requirements, assumption, and open questions. How AI is helpful in business requirement document? It generates BRD structure and sections. It writes clear problem statements and objectives for you. It improves grammar and professional tone as well. So, when you are writing with the co-pilot, they can auto detect the grammar mistakes, and it can also ask you if you want to, change the tone of the language or anything like that. So for example, input, we need a system to track customer complaints. Output will be AI generates a detailed BRD section with objective, scopes, and the success criteria. How AI is helpful in FRD, functional requirement document. It converts business requirement into the functional requirement, identifies system behavior and validations. It supports traceability between BRD and FRD. So basically, when you're working with the AI, you have to make sure you give the right instructions to the co-pilot or the chat GPT so you get the best output of it. So now, for example, AI converts a business requirement into the functional requirement step by step, provides validations and system responses. AI for user stories and acceptance criteria. So how AI is helpful in user stories and acceptance criteria? It helps in write user stories using standard agile format. It creates acceptance criteria, or I will say detailed acceptance criteria. It splits epics into smaller stories. For example, user story, as a customer, I want to reset my password so that I can regain access. Now the Copilot will help you generate the acceptance criteria automatically, and it will have a detailed acceptance criteria. So it will be easier for your QA to write the test case and test scripts. AI in stakeholder communication, how it helps. It drafts professional emails. It creates meeting summaries. It translates technical terms into business language. For example, AI generates a stakeholder email summarizing sprint progress, risk, and the next steps. So how AI is helpful in data analysis for business analyst? Explains data trends and simple language. So if you have to create a new user story to improve something, then you have the data to back that up. It highlights key insights and abnormalities. It assists in writing executive summaries. So for example, AI analyzes sales data and explains why the revenue dropped in the specific region. AI in Agile and Scrum projects. It supports backlog refinement. It suggests prioritization insight, why you're prioritizing one user story above the other. It summarizes sprint reviews and retrospective. For example, AI generates sprint summary notes for daily stand-up discussion for every morning. How AI is helpful in business analysts during meetings. So it can take real-time notes assistance. AI tool can listen to meeting and capture key discussion points. It highlights important requirements, decisions, and risk. For example, during a requirement workshop, AI captures business goals, constraint, and action items while the BA focuses on asking the right question. So, you know how AI is helping a business analyst. The business analyst can focus on asking the right question, and the co pilot is summarizing, taking notes. Benefits: BA is more engaged in discussion and less distraction from manual note taking. Identifying key requirements and gaps. AI identifies repeated topics and important keywords, flags unclear or incomplete requirement. For example, AI notices that report access was discussed multiple times but no security rules were defined. Benefits: helps BA ask better follow-up question in the same meeting. So as the AI tool access that we are missing something, then it can help the BA to provide the follow-up question. Another slide, how AI is helpful during the meetings. Stakeholder sentiments and priority clues. AI can detect emphasis, urgency, or concern in the conversation. It can highlight high priority topics. For example, AI identifies strong concern from the business user around system performance. So the benefit of AI will be it will help BA to understand what truly matters to the stakeholders. So the BA can work on the things stakeholder has more emphasis on. Automatically capture decision and action items. Assign ownership and deadlines. So for example, for a BA, finance team to confirm compliance rules by Friday is auto captured. Benefit: reduce missed follow-ups, improves accountability. So how AI is helpful for business analysts after meeting? Automatic meeting summaries, converts raw discussion into structured summaries, separate decision requirements and open questions. So for example, AI generates a summary with business goals, approved requirements, open clarification, and the benefits are saved hours of manual summarization. So the chat GPT or Copilot is helping you to summarize all the open questions, business goals, approved requirements. AI for business analyst, interview and career growth. How it helps: practice interview questions, improve resume and LinkedIn profile, learn domain concepts quickly. So as I said before, if you provide the correct, instructions to the Copilot or ChatGPT, they can help you in a lot of things. AI helps a BA prepare answers for real world scenario based interview questions. Skills business analysts should focus on: problem solving, communication and facilitation, business and domain knowledge, effective use of AI tools. As I said, you have to provide the right instructions to the AI tools to get the best output of it. BA who adapt to AI will remain future ready and they will not be replaced. So, with the AI, which is helping you in a lot of things, these are the skills which you should focus on. AI will not going to do problem solving. AI will not communicate with the stakeholders. You still have to facilitate the meetings, do the communication. So focus on these things. Will AI replace business analyst? Let's find out. AI cannot replace stakeholder negotiation, business judgment, domain expertise, Critical thinking. AI enhances BA efficiency, but human skills remains essential. So I will repeat it again. AI enhance BA efficiency, but human skills remain essential. So we have to make sure that we work on our human skills. We work on our negotiation. We also improve our critical thinking. Another slide on will AI replace business analyst or not? No, AI will add to BAs, not replace BAs. Key points are AI excels at automation, data analysis, documentation draft, report generation. Business analysts excel at human skills, stakeholder communication, critical thinking, decision making. Context and judgment matters. AI lacks business context, domain understanding, and emotional intelligence. Collaboration and negotiation. Managing conflicting requirements need human judgment. Future ready BA use AI as a tool. So it is a friend for you which you can use and take leverage. BAs who adopt AI becomes more productive and valuable. So overall, the AI will not going to replace business analysts as long as you're adaptive and you're taking leverage of the AI tools. In summary, AI is a powerful assistant for business analysts. It improves speed, accuracy, and quality of work. Business analysts who leverage AI effectively gain a strong competitive advantage. Thank you. Your support means a world to me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe so you don't miss out the important videos. Thank you.